Hey guys, it's Poochie. I am going to show you something on Mercari, just a handy tip or trick that actually drives me crazy. What's Your Puss usually does the Mercari shipping labels. So when you go on Mercari and you click, okay, like where are my, I'm going to move my head out of the way here. Where are my shipping labels? Where do I print a shipping label? So every time I come on Mercari, I am met with, oh my God, where am I? Where is it? I have to Google, how do I do a shipping label? So let me show you now, and hopefully by going through this with you, my little tiny walnut-sized brain will remember too. You don't find the shipping anywhere on here. You can go to your seller dashboard even. You would think that's where you'd find it. Let me move my giant head over here. No, you have a sales report and other stuff, but you don't have your dashboard, you don't have the labels. So what you have to do to print the labels, you go up here, you see my little Poochie head? That is Louie. He's busy now, or I'd have him say hi. He's the mascot. He lives a very privileged, sheltered, spoiled life. So,
yes, for lunch, Deborah, I'll have a caviar sandwich. And can you reschedule my hug with my children from tomorrow to next Thursday? I need more me time. You're very funny with that comb.
Louis, are you busy? He's ignoring me. So, he's busy resting in my desk drawer where he has a bed. You come over to my little, your little head over here, right? Your little, whatever your emoji thing is, right? And you go to, oh God, view profile. I almost forgot. View profile, and then from your profile, you come down, right? And,
whoops, there it goes. Yep, my brain stopped.
My listings. My listings.
My listings?
Yeah.
Is that where you?
Mercari/my listings. It comes up.
So you don't even have to go to your tiny little head?
No.
Wait a minute. I'm going to my tiny little head. And then I was going to, oh, I think I was going to my listings. No, I was going to my profile. And then for my profile, I was going to active listings. No, to sales. And then,
I don't even know how to go that way.
Where am I? What year is it? Is The Rock president?
so you go, what'd you call me?
I said, that's crazy. I didn't call you crazy. That's a lot.
I'm sorry, I'm a little bit,
That's a lot of steps to get to
So-
a shipping label.
Okay, so here's the thing. You go to, we both do it a different way. Are you kidding me? Whatever you do, don't listen to a damn thing we say. Just don't listen to a damn thing that we say on our videos. Now, I go to my profile, right? And then I go to, oh, now I'm totally going to forget where I was.
Your little head.
Whoops, there it goes. Yep, my brain stopped.
I swear to God, I just forgot where I, oh, sales. And then, it's been a rough day, man. It's been a rough day. And then you go to in progress, okay, and then you see the Dolly Parton t-shirt that sold and ship the item. Now how Betsy does this that I am never able to do is you go into my listings and then active. Really? So why don't I see it when I go into my listing and actives? Oh, because you have to go down to sold.
Yeah.
Please keep watching the channel. I promise it's just been a rough weekend. I'm not used to doing this. So that is how you ship on Mercari. Let me do it right now. I'm going to ship it so this video can have some use.
God, who is the brains of this operation?
I have to open the label.
Yeah.
Okay, so you go here, you open the label, and then it's up here, and then you download it, and then you print it. This was the longest video, and you wonder how I get lost every time I try to print a label on Mercari. It's like my brain just goes. It's like Swiss cheese holes in here, and there's a little mouse just running all over the damn place.
It's like 15 steps.
So, ladies and gentlemen, that is how you print a label on Mercari. Thanks for watching. Remember, buy low, sell high. Please, in the name of God and all that is holy and sweet baby Jesus, subscribe. Thanks for watching.